Welcome again, Military Guna TV. Thank you for being here with me. Hopefully you guys checked out my last video, which is Arsenal versus Manchester United. That was a preview, and hopefully if you're seeing this later than then, we have defeated Manchester United. But before I go anywhere, this is transfer news, transfer market. Big transfer for Arsenal Football Club. I've been linked with basically Kieran Tierney protege. So quite a few clubs are looking at him at this point in time. Clubs such as Manchester City, Celtic, and also Arsenal Football Club. Now, let me get into a bit of information in regards to the player himself and let you guys know more about the player. But before I go any further, please hit that like button. It is free. It costs $0, 0 cents to hit that like button, and also smash the subscribe button. So you can touch that subscribe button, smash the like button, vice versa. It doesn't matter which way you take it, just do the same. So let me get into the player. So his full name is Josh Thomas Doe, and he was born on May 18, 2002. Place of birth, Edinburgh of Scotland. Now, let us see how well this player can come out, because we have a few kids in the academy with similar age profile, but they are not at the level yet to play in the Premier League. So what makes this player special at age 18 rather than the under 18s that we have? What makes him special to play for Arsenal, to look to him as a backup for Kieran Tierney? What makes him special? So he's a defender slash left back, and he uses both foot for sure. Now, one of the key thing about Thomas or Josh is his physical specimen. His physical specimen. He is 6 foot and he has a massive body, which in the Premier League we prioritize the physical specimen, the athleticism of certain players. Now we look at that and we value it. We value it very much in the Premier League, because we know that the Premier League is an aggressive league, and you have to be physically ready for the Premier League. Now, why would Arsenal Football Club want to look at a left back who's 18 years old playing in the Scottish League? His current club that he's playing for right now is Hibernian FC. So he joined them on July the 1st, 2020. That's just last year, and his contract expires in 2023. So he is on a good contract length. So for us to get this player, we'll definitely have to spend a bit of cash. But as per transfer market, his finances and his contract that he was bought for is actually his value is actually 500,000. No, 500,000 pounds. So now basically that is money that I do believe that Arsenal can cover that. This player was tipped to be the left back that would be Kieran Tierney's protege. He has the profile, the physique, and also a right age to understudy for Kieran Tierney. Now, why is that Arsenal will go so far with that age profile to seek a left back to replace Kieran Tierney? Why not select a left back from our league or from our youth system and try to use him to facilitate that position? Now, as I said before, the first thing that struck me about this player is his physique. His physical attribute, also the fact that he has quality game time in the Scottish League. Now, he is 6 foot, huge to be a defender, especially at left back, in the left back position. Now, only these type of players with that physical attribute, with that height, normally they are slow, but what I have seen of him so far does not depict that at all. Now, let me get into a bit of the details in regards to what he has done so far in the Scottish Premiership. Now, so far he has played 19 senior games. 19 senior games. 4 in the Scottish Premier League, 2 in their League Cup, and in the Premiership 17. And he has mustered 2 assists so far. And it is telling for a left back, especially such a young player, to be playing in such a league and also registering assists and showing goal output rather than being a flop. He can be a flop in the Premier League. Not going to say he's going to be the best thing, but I do believe that Arsenal are doing a proper recruiting right now. That is the reason why we're going for a player profile like this. Now, on a position that he has played so far is actually at right back and also midfield, but his more dominant performance that we have mustered from him is actually in the left back position. So far for the Scottish Premiership, his statistics for the league, as I said before, he played 7, had 2 assists and started 11 of those games. His average game time is actually 52 minutes with a 6% goal participation, and that is really good for a left back in that position. So it's not much I have to say about him, but he's a good young player. Hopefully, it's a case in which we bring him into the youth setup and see how it transitions from there. But that is the information that I have on this player. But you can look out to see more information circling around about this player. Now, from what I have seen on the YouTube compilation, that's the whole thing that I can see of him. And what I'll do next, I'll do some reviews of games that he has played in and see how best I can get more information in regards to the player and dive down a bit deeper into what I think he can become. So hopefully move from the under 23 system and then try to move into the first team. If he has the quality, definitely he will be Kieran Tierney's backup option immediately. So this is Arsenal breaking news, transfer daily. Hopefully I can bring more of this content to you guys, and this is Josh Dio. Hopefully we can get a quality player out of him, just as we did with Kieran Tierney from the Scottish League. And tune in, please, before you go anywhere. This is Military Guna TV. Drop a like, share, and subscribe. Ensure you subscribe and tell me what you think about this player. Go and do your research for yourself and tell me what you think about this player. So that is it for me, Military Guna TV. Guess what? I am out.